Hi everyone! Sa video ito, talakayin natin kung paano hanapin ang equation ng parabola. Okay? So, paano nga ba hanapin ang equation ng parabola given some conditions? So, example number 2, with vertex at negative 2, 3, and directrix x is equal to 2. Okay? So, in finding the equation of the parabola, always determine the opening, vertex, and the value of c. Okay? We need to determine the opening of the parabola so that we can determine what formula, identify what formula we're going to use in finding the equation of the parabola. And the vertex for the hk and the value of c, or the length of the focal or focal length. Okay, so to determine, let's plot first the given ordered pairs, the vertex, and graph the directrix. So the vertex at negative 2, 3, negative 2, 3. So this is the point, or this is the vertex of the parabola, negative 2, 3, and the directrix is x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3, that is a vertical line. Okay, so here in x is equal to 3, this is our x is equal to 3. So the vertex is located here and the fixed line or the directrix is located here. Therefore, we can conclude that the opening of the parabola is opens to the left. Okay? Opens to the left. Since the opening of the parabola opens to the left, we're going to use the formula y minus k quantity squared is equal to negative 4c x minus h. Okay, so we need to determine the vertex, so that's already given, negative 2, 3. And the value of c, when we say value of c, that is the focal length, the distance between the vertex and the focus, or that is also the distance from the vertex to the fixed line, which is the directrix. So this is the vertex and this is the directrix. We can say that the value of c is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5. So 5 is the value of c. So then, after determining the vertex and the focal length, we can now substitute in the formula y minus 3 squared is equal to negative 4 times c is 5 x minus or plus, minus negative 2. So, we substitute the h and k. Always remember the vertex is our hk. Okay? Negative 2 is the h. Okay? 3 is the k. Okay? So, we just simply substitute in the equation. Then, simplify. So, the equation will become y minus 3 quantity squared equals to negative 20, because negative 4 times 5 is negative 20 times x plus 2. Why x plus 2? Because minus negative, that is equivalent to plus. So, x plus 2. So, this is now the equation of the parabola with vertex at negative 2, 3, and directrix x is equal to 3. Example number 3. Find the equation of the parabola, vertex at negative 3, negative 2, and focus at negative 3, 1. Okay, let's plot the given. So the vertex at negative 3, negative 2, negative 3, negative 2. And the focus is located at negative 3, 1. So this is the vertex and this is the focus. Okay? So this is the focus, vertex. So based on this illustration, we can conclude that the parabola is opens upward. Okay? So open upward. Okay, so since opens upward, we're going to use the formula x minus h quantity squared equals to 4c y minus k. So let's determine the vertex. So the vertex is given already, negative 3, negative 2, and the value of c, okay, or the focal length, that is the distance from vertex to the focus. So the distance of the focus from the vertex. So this is our focus. 1, 2, 3. So the value of C is 3. Then let's substitute now this to the formula. So the equation of the parabola will become x minus h, that is negative 3, squared equals to 4 times c, which is 3, y minus negative 2. Okay, so our hk is this one. This is h, negative 3, and our k is the negative 2. So let's substitute in the formula. That's why it will become h here will become negative 2, 3. K is negative 2. Simplify. So x plus 3 quantity squared equals to 12 y plus 2. So ganun lang kasimple. Minus negative, that will become plus. Minus negative, that will become plus. So this is now the equation of the parabola. Example number 4. With vertex negative 2, 3 and passing through 2, 1 that opens downward. Okay. So the opening is downward. And the vertex at negative 2, 3. So okay, let's plot this vertex negative 2, 3. So negative 2, positive 3. So this is our vertex. And the point is passing through 2, 1. So here. So this is a point on the parabola. So opens downward. Okay, so opens downward. So the point is passing here. So based on the given, we cannot easily determine what is the value of C. Okay? So we're going to find the value of C first before finding the equation. How? We're going to use the given vertex and the point on the parabola to 1. Okay? Since the opening of the parabola downward, we're going to use the formula x minus h quantity squared equals to negative 4c y minus k. Okay? So, we have a point P. Okay? So, point P is 2, 1, and that will be served as our x, y. The vertex is our h, k. So, using this, we can find the value of c. So, our h is negative 2, x is 2. Okay? So, the equation will become 2 plus 2. Okay, y2 plus 2. Okay, so our x is 2. That's why it become 2 here. Our h is negative 2. Substitute here. Minus negative 2 will become positive 2. Equals to negative 4c y. The value of y is 1. 1 minus 3. Okay, so our y is 1. And the value of k is 3. Okay, so we can now find the value of C. 2 plus 2, that is 4. C equal to negative 4C. 1 minus 3, that is negative 2. Okay, 4 squared, that is 16. Negative 4C times negative 2, that is positive 8C. Divide both side by 8. C is equivalent to 2. So this is the value of C. So we have the vertex and value of C. We can now determine the equation of the parabola. X minus h quantity squared is equal to negative 4c y minus k. So x minus h, our h is negative 2. So that will become positive 2 here, equals to negative 4 times 2. So the value of C is 2. Substitute here. Then y minus k, that is 3. So let's simplify.